Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to earn money from Google Maps contribution. So let's get started. Earning money from Google Maps contribution comes under Local Guide program. Local Guide program is a program designed by Google to encourage users to contribute information and local businesses, landmark and other points of interest. By contributing information, user can earn points that can be redeemed for various rewards, including Google Drive storage, discounts on Google products, and even cash rewards. Now, to earn money from Google Maps, you need to join the Local Guide program. To do so, here's the step on how you can join Local Guide program. First, you need to open your Google Maps, then get signed in. Once you are signed in to Google Maps, simply tap on this tree line which is on the top left of your screen. Then tap on your contributions. Then, to join the Local Guide program, all you gotta do is click on Join the Local Guide program button. And then you can work as local guide, then earn rewards. And guys, that was it. It was this simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.